In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your GoDaddy website. Whether you're a beginner setting up your first site or someone looking to make a few adjustments, this guide will unravel the entire process to ensure your site truly reflects your vision. Let's dive right in. First things first, we'll need to access our website editor. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to the GoDaddy website. Once there, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and enter your login credentials. Make sure you remember your username and password. For those who forget, there's always the Forgot Password option to retrieve your information via email. Once logged in, you'll be navigated to the dashboard, which is essentially the control center for all your products and services. You'll see a section titled My Products. Here, you will find a list of products currently associated with your account. Among them, locate your website or online store. Click on the Manage button, a straightforward, yet essential step, as it will lead you directly to the Website Builder interface. Now that you're in the Website Builder, you can start editing your site. The first page that greets you is usually the home page, since it's the most pivotal part of any website. On this page, you'll notice different sections, from the header to the footer, each with edit buttons. Click on one of these edit buttons to change the layout, text, or images to better fit your vision. Perhaps you want to update the tagline or showcase new products. This is the place to make it happen. To edit text, simply click on the text box and you'll be able to type or paste your new content directly. It's really a user-friendly interface, no coding knowledge needed. For images, it's just as easy. Click on the picture, and you'll see an option to replace it, with the ability to upload directly from your computer or use stock images provided by GoDaddy. Playing around with these sections can be rewarding, so don't hesitate to be creative. Let's not forget about the navigation menu. You'll want to ensure that visitors can seamlessly find their way around your site. To edit the navigation, look for the option usually located at the top of the page. Click on it, and you'll have the ability to add new pages, modify existing link names, or even rearrange the order of the links. Once you're satisfied with your updates, it's time to publish your changes. Why keep all that hard work in the shadows? Locate the Publish button, typically at the top right corner of the editor screen. With a simple click, all your edits go live on the internet. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through editing your GoDaddy website. Remember, regular updates keep your content fresh and engaging. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.